Hello everyone, thank you for coming back to my channel. My name is Dina. I'm going to be showing you my phase 2 project today called Magiparks, which is a mix between magical and parks. This is for Flatiron's online software engineering bootcamp. We are going to be doing a lot of stuff today. So this project is supposed to showcase React and creating a front-end application, utilizing its components and everything like that. So we're not going to be using a true server. Instead, I'm going to be using the JSON server NPM package, which allows us to spin up like a faux server and hold JSON data that we can access through REST API endpoints. So the whole point about this application is I love the national parks. I have a dream of visiting all of them some point in my lifetime, but I like going to them and I love going to their website and kind of learning a little bit of each place. So I was wondering, wouldn't it be cool to kind of have something like that at least started for some of these places that some of us have encountered, for sci-fi places? Like, what if we could bring some of the sci-fi and fictional places that we've encountered into the national park system? What would that look like? So that is what I have tried to capture here. And you are welcomed in my application with just a blank screen. I try to keep it simple. It says, "Welcome, traveler." You can go ahead and enter. You can learn more about this particular part of the national park system, or you can just exit out of the components once you get inside. So if we go ahead and enter, it's going to give you a list of some of the national parks, the other national parks that we have. So like the Lost Woods from the Legend of Zelda series, Amity Island, no swimming is recommended there, Dagobah National Park and Tatooine National Park. Some of the features that we have here is we can add a new park. So I can say Mordor historical site, and I'll just put a description here: hot, but with a tropical climate, which is code word for volcano. And I can go ahead and submit that. When you hit submit, the form goes ahead and clears out. And that has been tacked on to the bottom here, just to show that that data did persist to our DB file. If I refresh it and go to the bottom, you can see that Mordor is still here. Now, let's just say in this list, I have no interest in going there anymore. I can also remove it. Each one of these buttons is unique to the component that it is attached to. So we can also go to the about and learn a little bit more about Magiparks. With a little disclaimer here: turning to the dark side with or without cookies is acknowledged as an act of free will. Yeah. And if you want to, you can exit all the way out, come back to welcome traveler. If we enter back in, you will see that the things that we have deleted here are gone. And just to show that it did persist, if we go to the JSON data that is here, you will see what was originally here when I first spun up the application, the 4 parks. And then if I go ahead and refresh that, you'll see that we only have the 3 that we have kept. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and exit out. And that was my phase 2 project called Magiparks. I'm gonna go ahead and leave in the description box below the link to my GitHub, as well as the link to the documentation for the JSON server NPM package and for React. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you guys have a great day. Peace out.